In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your iPhone is not recording your steps. So if for some reason your steps are not being recorded or they're being recorded incorrectly, then what we need to do is first head over to the settings application on your phone. Once you're on the settings page, scroll all the way down to privacy and security and click on this. Then scroll down again until you see motion and fitness and select this, and make sure right at the bottom here that health is turned on and enabled, and you also want to make sure that fitness tracking is turned on and enabled. Now once you've done this, you can then come back over to the previous settings page, scroll right to the top and click on general, click on software update, and just ensure you're running the latest version of iOS. And once you've done that, you can check to see if your steps are now being recorded. If it's still not working, then open up the health app on your phone, click on browse in the bottom right hand side. In the search box, go and search for steps, click on steps from the list of options, and then scroll down to the bottom and click on show all data. Now from here, you should be able to see all of your recorded data on the health application. And if that's still not working, then the last solution is just to go in, restart your iPhone. Sometimes simply restarting your device can fix most of these issues. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.